2012 Acadia. The GMC Acadia has great capability coupled with exceptional safety, offering better highway fuel economy than any other 8-passenger SUV, advanced technology, and thoughtful ergonomics. The Acadia is a premium utility that rejects compromise and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, traction control, power liftgate, dual airbags, remote vehicle start, air conditioning, front, power steering, floor mats, 4-wheel disc brakes, auto-dimming rear view mirror, PPO. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.